Well, it's evening time here on the old chicken farm. And I'm going around back, check on the chickens, see if they've done went to bed like they're supposed to. What's going on here? Hey, Bessie Lou. What's going on?
My chicken, I think, is sick.
You think your chicken's sick? Why?
'Cause she won't like scratch for bugs, and she doesn't lay eggs, and she poops on me a lot.
Oh, that's a rude chicken there if she poops
Yeah.
on you. I'm so sorry to hear that.
It's okay.
I'm sorry to hear that. Um, hmm. So what's going to happen if she don't start doing those things?
If she don't do it, we gotta pluck her, and then cook her up, and bye chicken.
Oh, and that makes you sad, doesn't it? Yeah, well, she looks just fine to me. She's a pretty little thing. Hey, I know. I can call somebody from up on the mountain. Hang on just a second. Let me get out my flip phone. Hello? Yeah, it's Josie Lee there. Yeah. Hey, Josie Lee. I'm sorry to interrupt your supper. You got anything going on? Yeah, I got a chicken I need looked at. Need some attention. Can you come on down? Well, everybody knows you're the chicken whisperer. Yeah, but there's a problem with the chicken. You can solve it. Okay. All right, thanks. Yeah, see ya. Bye. She's on her way. Should be right down. It's gonna be okay. Don't you get too sad about it. Little country girl. Well, here she comes now. Look at her. What are you doing?
I am getting in touch with the chicken.
Getting in touch?
That depends on how nice they're gonna be to you.
Yeah?
If you just do your little chicken thingy. So you just gotta, oh, hold on there, I got an itch I need to scratch. And you just get in touch with the chicken.
Get in touch with the
So
chickens.
you say she's sick and you're gonna have to pluck her and eat her up. She looks fine and dandy. Now, let me say this. But this is my chicken. But I'm the chicken whisperer. Just give me the chicken.
Bessie Lou, let her have the chicken so she can fix her.
She doesn't want you. She wants me.
There we go.
Here we go.
All right, now you just work your magic, Josie Lee. Oh, shh. This is an expert at work here. This is a sacred moment now. You just hush, okay? Don't you make a sound. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I'm gonna go in for a closer look. See what exactly is she doing there? She's literally whispering at that there chicken. I sure do hope it works. Oh my gosh. That's an egg. That's an egg. What'd you do?
I whisper to the chicken. That is my job as the chicken whisperer.
Well, you done did a good job.
I
That's
sure
amazing.
did.
Look at that. Bessie Lou. What you think of that?
That's a miracle.
Yeah.